since I resumed this office, since you voted for me 2023 December. Is it true or false?
True.
January 2024, I've written letters there until I got tired 2024 October. These letters, inside them, we were just requesting for jobs for our members and business opportunities for our members. Because once we are given business opportunities, once a section of our members are also given jobs, we will be able to buy sugar. Yes. We will be able to buy Unga. We will be able to buy soap. We will be able to buy our clothes. So as governor of Nairobi, come here in Bunge la Mwananchi and see our members. Some of our members are very educated. Some of our members are very talented. It is your responsibility to come here and address some of our members, all our members. We voted for you 2022. Some of our members voted for you. Some of our members voted for your opponent. But since we are all Nairobians, come here and give our people long-term opportunities, long-term economic opportunities, so that our members can be reliable, our members can be independent, and our members can take care of themselves. Bunge power! Bunge power! So we as Bunge la Mwananchi tunakuomba 2025 kuja hapa kwa ground, patia watu wetu ajira, patia watu wetu nafasi za kufanya biashara. Through that, hiyo tu ndio tutajua ya kwamba watu wetu wanaweza kuwa reliable. Lakini mambo ya chakula, hiyo we are not independent. Kwa hayo machache, mimi nasema nakataa maneno ambayo yamefanyika hapa kama bunge, na tunasema pole kwa wananchi ambao walikuwa hapo, wanabunge ambao walikuwa hapa. Kwa hayo machache, we are done.